Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we are going to be discussing question 31 from the programming challenge, which is in the link description below. Alright, so question 31 is going to be a really big program. Well, depends on how you code or the experience you have. So question 31 asks to create an addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, I forgot to add that, calculator using if statements, because you guys have not learned cases yet. Okay, I will teach you what a case or switch statement. You can create one in Python and how to create one. All right, division. All right, so let's start by saying, well, we can go back to question 30 or program 30, copy paste number 1, number 2, because that's what we want. Please enter number 1, number 2. All right, so let's give the user numbers from 1 to 4, saying 1 is addition, 2 is subtraction, 3 is multiplication, 4 is division. Okay, so then we say user equals, we make sure this is not a float, because yes, and please enter the following choices. 1 multi or 1 addition, 2 subtraction, subtraction, my bad, subtraction, 3 multiplication, finally 4 is division. Alright, now just to make, there seems to be some problem in my code. Invalid syntax, why? Oh yes, alright, so just to make it clear and concise, we can add something called \n, which basically means you can go to the next line. So we don't want the users to be confused, right? So let's give them some space to work on. So we can say \n, and we can say oops, and then we can say \n, and finally backslash, and that means new line. Alright, just leave the commas. So let's run and check out how it looks like. Please enter number 1, say 1, number 2, 2. Please enter the following choices. Alright, that looks pretty decent. So, \n. Yeah, well, it's better if you guys continuously check it out, so you guys know how it looks like. 1, 2, perfect. So, there you go. Alright, so once that is done, what we can do is start writing our if statements, saying if user equals to 1, we say print. Okay, so for now we can just have a raw code, so basically have the basic layout, and then we can develop more on those. So we can say num1 plus num2. Alright, then we can have if user equals 2, we can say print num1 or num2 minus num1. Alright, then since writing if all the time is really bad habit, we can say elif, then elif user equals 3, and say print of num2 or num1 times of num2, and then we can say, now we are not going to say else, because if the user types some other number, that's going to give an error. So let's say elif user equals 4, we say print num2 divided by num1. Alright, and then else you can say print caps on with full caps that error, because that's not the number or letter or anything you're supposed to type. Alright, so let's check it out. Please enter number 1. Okay, say 2 and 3. I want to add. And then we have 4. Then we have 2, 2. I'm gonna subtract. We have 0. I want 2, 2. I want to multiply. We have 4. Then finally, 2, 2. I'm gonna divide 1. Alright guys, so I've made some few changes in the code, and now it looks way better with better UI. So let me show you. Welcome to Simple Calculator. Please enter number 1. So let's say 2. Please enter number 2, which is 6, and I want to add them. And then we have 8. So let's check it out again. Subtraction. Let's say 2 and 6. And then we say 2 subtract, so it's 4. And then we say 2 and 6, and I want to multiply, so 3, it's 12. And then let's check again. I want 2 and 6, and I want to divide them, 4, and then division. And finally, let's check for the error case, which is 5. Oh, okay, 5 and 5, doesn't matter, we have 5.